Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. My name is Stanley. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your hashtag up and how to use them properly in order for you to get more audience and get your YouTube appear more on YouTube search. Okay, the reason why we're doing this is because probably if we want to link our YouTube videos together, or maybe want to make it appear very easy or very faster on your YouTube search. For instance, I had a video I already linked, so let me search for that specific video. So whenever I search for that specific hashtagged content, all my videos are going to appear. Not just all my video, all the videos relating to the particular search keyword. For instance, let me search Yeko 4. It is a recent event I went to, so I took a live video, and you can notice this is my video. You can notice currently at Yeko 4.8 TsTechTalk, and this is also another one winning the 100k hash Yeko 4. You can also notice TsTechTalk, and then the next one here, and then let me scroll down and show you guys. It is our TsTechTalk from 1 to 4, and this next one is actually not from me. It said event roses, and then after that this is still mine. I think that's more like it, and then there's another different person, and this is mine. So you can notice how it goes: TsTechTalk, and then some other ones, and these ones right here are not related. Okay, now you guys can see the difference between linking the content. Alright, before we continue into how to go about it, I'm going to discuss it a little bit more. Okay, now you can actually use hashtag in a video title, like I have it right here, and apart from using it on a video title, you can also use it in a description to ensure viewers find your video when they search for a specific hashtag. Okay, now hashtag is just a way for you to find video about trending topics. There are two ways to do that: search for hashtag or click on a particular hashtag title on the description. Yeah, right. So when I scroll down to this particular content, and you can notice the hashtag right here on this particular description. So this is the description on my video, and you can notice it's linkable, it's clickable, and all these other ones are just ordinary text, but this one that has a hashtag is actually clickable. And when you still scroll up to the top, going to the title area, okay, sorry, this is the title area. You cannot click the title area because it's actually a title, but on the description, whenever you add the hashtag, is actually clickable. And then let's go ahead and click on this hashtag under the description so that we'll see what happens. Alright, you can notice that this all my videos also. So still scroll down to see how it appears, and actually it showed only my videos which are actually added hashtag Yeko4 too. So you can notice the power of the hashtag. It links all your video together. Okay, so I hope you guys understand, but if you don't, let's go ahead and link some video. I have some videos which I haven't linked yet. Let me go ahead and open my channel, make some changes to the videos. Actually, I should go to Creator Studio. So we are on Creator Studio, and I am just going to go ahead and link some of my YouTube videos I created. I already created playlist for it, but for this tutorial I have to show you guys how to make your hashtag work. You can notice that I don't have any hashtag on this video and either on these other YouTube videos, so let me go ahead and do that so that it's going to make them appear more on search engine, because search engine friendly is actually what I really needed the most, or not only. So let me go ahead and add hashtags to the description and the title. Okay, now let's go ahead and scroll down. Oh, I think if you need something to appear on search engine, you should make it on the first line, first or second line. So let me go ahead and right here say hashtag hash YouTube. Sorry. I missed the T. Okay, hash YouTube, and then I think I'm going to add more tags. YouTuber. So let me go ahead and copy all this out, and let's not forget to add it here. Sorry. Oh, why am I missing this? Okay, now I've added it. All I need to do is to save our video. Why am I seeing art? Supposed to be hash. I don't know what just happened, but I think I made a mistake. Okay guys, I've added that, so let's go ahead and add it to a couple of more videos. Scroll down to this section where we have another video. Go ahead and click on edit and scroll. Let's go ahead and paste. So don't forget the title also. Now when you're done, just go ahead and save, and then I'm going to pause this video and add hashtag to the rest of the video so this video wouldn't get any longer. Alright guys, welcome back. Okay, I've taken some time to add the hashtag on some videos. Alright, welcome back guys. So after taking some time to add some tags to my video, I've been able to add some tags to like 6 videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how it worked out for us. So let's go ahead and play a particular video. So whenever someone is playing your video and goes over your description below, so if you had a unique name of a particular hashtag, probably the one someone hasn't used before, after adding the unique name, you're going to see it here. So if you add this unique name on all your video, I actually added tubers of, although some guys have already used this previously. You can notice their faces so ridiculous and actually not the stuff for one, but because this is just for tutorial base, I just made this very simple. So in order for you guys to understand what I mean, and this is my video, you can notice it's from TsTechTalk, and this is also another video from TsTechTalk, and these are all tubers of video. So because I've added link describing to this particular stuff, that's the reason why you guys are able to see these particular videos right here. And then you guys should know that if you are trying to link a video together, just try to make sure it's actually unique, and it's going to be visible on Google, and it's going to be visible on your any search engine actually. So I've explained this earlier and I don't need to go back to it. And then there is something else I want to mention to you guys. For any reason, if you are creating a YouTube video, if you are creating your hashtag
do not forget these rules. Here are the rules. Let me read out loud. Okay, make sure you never add a space. You can notice on my videos I didn't add any space. I didn't add any space between the Tubers Hub and then the Creators Studio. Normally I should have been able to write creators, YouTube creators, and then give a space. I can write YouTube and then give a space and write the creator, but I didn't give a space because it's against the rules. So if you go against these rules, it's going to affect that particular video and it might affect the video of being deleted. So you guys should be careful in order to alter any of the YouTube rules. Okay, that's the first rule. Do not add a space. And then the second rules, do not overtag. Overtagging affects goes against the YouTube rules also. Overtagging means probably adding 30 tags, 20 tags, and then 16 tags. Actually, the maximum of the YouTube tag is actually a maximum of 15. So just make sure you keep in to the minimum, which is actually 10. I prefer using 10. You can notice I even use up to 5 tags here. I just made it 1, 2, 3, 4 tags. So you guys should just make sure you use minimum of 5 tags on your videos. And then apart from that, do not give a misleading content. So for instance, this video is actually a YouTube how-to video, and then maybe probably I'm now putting a sports stuff and then misleading people. It actually goes against the YouTube rule. So if you are going against the YouTube rule, that means it's going to be affecting your YouTube algorithm. Another way, you are going against the YouTube stuff, which actually means it's going against their policy and their rules of the use of hashtag. And then apart from that, we goes to the fourth one, which is actually the harassment. Please never harass anybody with your tagging. Maybe if you are tagging someone in a video and then you made use of a hash word, which is actually going to be either harassment to the person or humiliating to the person or intimidating or actually exposing or threatening an individual or a particular group. Please, you guys should know that trust is not giving this tutorial out in order for you guys to threaten or to misuse the use of hashtags. So you guys should be careful in order to go against it. And then you should also make sure you don't use a hate speech in order to go against a particular group or individual. Hate speech actually means a racist word, a sexual word, or a slur, or a violating a word in going against a particular individual or people. Some people actually dislike a particular word. For instance, some states actually dislike a particular word. I'm not going to mention anyway, so let's just keep this particular part. You guys know what a hate speech means. And then the another one, the fifth one, is a sexual content. You guys should never add a sexual hashtag on your YouTube video, like boobs or hashtag big tights, sex. I don't know, or you guys know what I mean. So I'm a holy guy, so I don't know what sexual content means. So you guys shouldn't include this for any reason. So then after that, we have a vulgar language, and make sure you don't use a vulgar language against anybody. So any age restrictions, stuff. And then finally we come to the non-hashtag word, blah blah blah. Okay, actually there is a lot of these. It actually counts down to 9 rules. So I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to read along later on, and it's going to help you guys to know how to make use of hashtag proper. Okay, for any reason I am making this video for an educational purpose, so I do plead for anyone to not go against these policies, because it's going to cause your video to be deleted from YouTube, and not just deleted, it can also affect your channel. So you guys should make sure you take care of posting and boosting your YouTube. And once again, this is a video for creators, not for the audience, so you guys should be careful with in case you do not understand this particular video, what I'm talking about is a video for YouTube creators. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment in case you are finding anything difficult. I will always be there to respond to your channel, to your questions and your comments. Thanks, and make sure you leave a like for me. See you guys soon.